What's going on, everybody? Slang Dutchman here, and today we are in a Lancer. Now it almost, if you look at the steering wheel and everything, it almost looks cool and looks like an Evo, but it isn't. It's just a standard Lancer, but as you can hear, it's a little bit too quiet. So I think we need to change something, but this interior, man, looks cool. Looks like I'm driving an Evo. So, sound check. Still not a hater. It's not too bad, but it's gonna be better. I did not realize how much of an Evo these cars are, but sounds good. Engine looks cool. It's basically the same engine, but like Joey said, like different internals and no oil squirters. But still, if you open the bonnet and nobody knows, especially if you...
Normally it's just...
Yeah, it's not red like this.
Yeah.
No, but this
is original.
this looks a lot cooler now. I mean, it looks Evo-like.
This is Evo.
And then if you take the front off, you make it an Evo, you pop the bonnet. People see that. If you're not into cars, you just know, oh, that's an Evo. You think that it will be an Evo station. It's just... And like he said, apparently this is the whole same platform underneath as the Evo stations. So I don't know nothing about these cars, but I'm sort of like amazed of how cool I think this car is. Maybe not necessarily from the rear, but if you swap the Evo front. Here's the exhaust. Nice big Japanese style Prowler. Isn't that a Chrysler?
I have no idea.
It has an eagle on it. It's American. So yeah, this is what we have to work with. And we're just gonna delete the existing pipe and then put this on, weld it up. Let's see. Mandatory no exhaust clip. Alright, so we've taken the old exhaust off, heated some bolts up, then now that one is in, sticks to the rear. We have it up here by a strap, because basically from here we need to make a little angle into there. And we've already been working on the exhaust, make some hangers. We had the camera down for a little while because the filming and making progress is not things that really work hand to hand. But yeah, we've been taking the old exhaust, cut up a few pieces to make sure it fits. All over there, and now there. And now this one of course needs to be here. So that's a little bit.
Let's smoke a pipe, eh?
Smoking a pancake.
Let's smoke a pipe.
So yeah, we're almost there. Getting there. We have everything lined up. Thomas is ready to take and make this one solid pipe. Don't know where the muffler is though, but Thomas is doing the last and final welds. And then one more removal of the pipe. Fully weld every tack weld on, and the whole exhaust should be done. And looking at the result, wait, I mean, look how tight the fitment and everything is.
Everybody is like has to learn, but
Needs to go under there, over there. You have that little block there, but here's it's gonna be one more hanger that pushes everything up. Other than that,
pretty tight.
looks good.
It's not too professional on the gaps and everything, but
It's good,
good
man.
enough. It's not a professional.
Nah, it's heaps
race
good,
car.
man. Final hanger. It's already dark out.
Yep.
We found a small little error in our design. So we make a few little small adjustments.
Fuck off.
But yep, we pulled it all out again. But with these final adjustments, the next clip will be the sound clip. It's done. The whole pipe, everything is fixed.
So
And everyone's so happy that we finally can go home. They're so happy that they're holding a car meeting underneath the car while I wanted to drop the thing down. Get your ass underneath the car.
wait, I want to take a picture.
Here we go, first start. Okay. That's a good drone. Not bad. Garage is filled up again. The cars are in. Joey's car is outside. He's about to leave. We're about to leave. I want to thank Thomas for all the help. My buddy Kevin. And of course, Joey for trusting us with his car. But if you like this content and you want to see more, because there's a lot going on and a lot in like stuff that I do, like a little bit of work on one car and then on the other car and then the other car, so it's hard to keep track with the content or how the videos roll out, so I don't know what order they're gonna roll out. But if you want to see more, because there's also another car coming to the channel, then stay tuned and see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.
I know that I'm sick, I really need some